In this video, I'll show you how to create game passes in Please Donate. So as you can see here, I already have all of these donation buttons set up, and that was created through game passes. So in order to create these, we first need to head out of the Roblox application, and then you need to navigate over to an internet browser and launch up the website roblox.com. Now once you're logged into your Roblox account, click on Create in the top navigation. This will take you over to the Creator Hub, and from the left-hand side, select Creations, and then under Experiences, you'll see your Roblox place. Now, everyone will have one of these, so just go and click on it like so. And then from this left-hand navigation, scroll all the way down to Monetization and select Passes. And then from here, click on the Create a Pass button. Now you can choose to change this default image, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then you need to give your game pass a name. Now this will be available publicly when people donate to you, so I'm just going to type in something like thank you. And you can also give your game pass a description. Once you're happy with the name and description, press Create Pass. And now before you can use this game pass and it's available publicly, we first need to make it go on sale. Now to do that, just click on the game pass like so, and then in the left-hand navigation, click on Sales, and then toggle on Item for Sale. Now just type in the Robux price that you want people to donate. So for example, I'm going to type in 20, and that means we'll be receiving 14 after the creator tax. So now we can click on Save Changes, and then select Back to Associated Items. Now you can effectively create as many of these passes as you want, and once you've created all of your passes, head back over to the Please Donate Roblox game, and then all we simply need to do is head over to an empty stand like this, hold down the letter E to claim a stand, and then just like that we can now see all of our game passes, and you can hold down the letter E to edit your stand so you can change both the text and also the booth type. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.